Today, we're embarking on a journey that will take us from the sands of ancient Mesopotamia to the craters of Mars, from the myths of the gods to the cutting-edge theories of modern physics. We're talking about the Cosmic War, an ancient interplanetary conflict that might just have shaped the very fabric of our solar system. Now, I know what you're thinking. Interplanetary war? Sounds like science fiction. But stick with me, because the evidence is as fascinating as it is compelling. Our guide on this journey is none other than Joseph Farrell, author of The Cosmic War, Interplanetary Warfare, Modern Physics, and Ancient Texts. This book is a treasure trove of information, weaving together ancient myths, modern science, and a whole lot of speculation to paint a picture of a war that could have literally rocked our world. So, what exactly is the Cosmic War hypothesis? Well, it all starts with a simple question. What if the stories of gods and giants, of celestial battles and planetary destruction, were more than just myths? What if they were ancient accounts of a very real war, fought with advanced technology on a cosmic scale? Picture this: a time when our solar system was a very different place. Planets were closer together, their orbits unstable. The skies were alive with electrical discharges, and the planets themselves were scarred by colossal plasma storms. This was a time of giants, of chimeras, of beings with technology far beyond our current understanding. According to Farrell, the evidence for this war is scattered throughout our solar system. Take, for example, the asteroid belt. Many scientists believe it to be the remnants of a planet that once existed between Mars and Jupiter. But what if that planet didn't just break apart on its own? What if it was deliberately destroyed in a war? Farrell draws on the work of Dr. Tom Van Flandern, who proposed the exploded planet hypothesis. Van Flandern suggested that a planet, perhaps as large as Saturn, exploded some 3.2 million years ago. This event, he argued, could explain the asteroid belt and even the strange geological features of Mars, like the Valle Marineris, a canyon so vast it could swallow the Grand Canyon whole. But the Cosmic War hypothesis doesn't stop there. Farrell argues that this war was fought with weapons of unimaginable power. Weapons that could manipulate gravity, control weather, and even tap into the very energy of stars. He points to the work of physicist Paul Laviolette, who has proposed that pulsars, those mysterious celestial objects that emit beams of radiation, might actually be part of an ancient interstellar communications network, a network that could have been used to coordinate attacks on a planetary scale. And then there's the Great Pyramid of Giza. Farrell suggests that this ancient structure might have been more than just a tomb or an observatory. It could have been a weapon, a device capable of harnessing and directing scalar waves, a concept that aligns with the theories of Lieutenant Colonel Tom Bearden. Scalar waves, according to Bearden, can be used to manipulate matter and energy at a distance, making them a perfect candidate for a weapon of mass destruction. But what about the motivations for such a war? Farrell delves into ancient texts, from the Sumerian Enuma Elish to the Babylonian era and Ishum, to uncover the possible reasons behind the conflict. He suggests that the war might have been fought over the control of powerful objects known as the Tablets of Destinies. These objects, he speculates, were repositories of knowledge and technology, granting their possessors the power to control the very fabric of space and time. And here's where things get really interesting. Farrell proposes that the war might have been a civil war, a conflict between different factions of an ancient, highly advanced civilization. A civilization that may have spanned multiple planets, including Earth, Mars, and even Saturn's moon Iapetus. Yes, you heard that right. Iapetus, with its bizarre orbital mechanics and strange surface features, might just be a relic of this ancient civilization. But what about the evidence? Well, Farrell points to the work of researchers like Richard C. Hoagland, who has argued that the face on Mars and other formations in the Cydonia region are evidence of an ancient civilization. He also discusses the anomalies of Iapetus, suggesting that its artificial appearance and unusual orbit might be clues to its true nature. And let's not forget the moon. Farrell mentions the theory that the moon might be an artificial structure, citing the strange behavior of early space probes and the moon's ability to ring like a bell when struck. This, he suggests, might be evidence of a technology far more advanced than anything we currently possess. But perhaps the most intriguing aspect of the cosmic war hypothesis is its implications for humanity. If such a war did take place, it suggests that our ancestors might have been more than just primitive tribespeople. They might have been witnesses to, and perhaps even participants in, a conflict that reshaped our solar system. So, what do you think? Is the cosmic war hypothesis a groundbreaking revelation or just a fascinating piece of speculative fiction? Whatever your opinion, one thing is certain: the evidence is out there, waiting to be discovered. And who knows? Maybe one day we'll uncover the truth about this ancient conflict and the civilization that fought it. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the cosmic war. If you enjoyed this episode, be sure to subscribe and leave a comment. And remember, the quest for knowledge is never ending. Until next time, keep learning, keep questioning, and keep exploring the mysteries of our universe.
This has been a BrightLearn video from BrightLearn.ai on the book The Cosmic War, Interplanetary Warfare, Modern Physics and Ancient Texts by Joseph Farrell. Visit BrightLearn.ai for more fascinating videos like this one, and visit naturalnews.com for full editorial coverage and breaking news on critical stories that keep you informed and aware of what's really going on.